Hey everyone, and welcome to this short series on how to use LiveGroups inside Katana. LiveGroups are a really useful way of sharing work between multiple artists and reusing node networks inside Katana. They allow the node graph to be divided up into different sections that can each be worked on by a different artist at the same time. As well as this, LiveGroups can also be referenced across multiple locations in multiple different scripts, so you don't have to repeat the same task many times. For example, using LiveGroups, you can share nodes between show, sequence, and shot levels, and artists can work smoothly in parallel on the same shot. They work in a similar way to groups, but they allow you to save and version a section of your node graph separately from the rest of the Katana project as a .livegroup file. You can build a node network inside an empty LiveGroup, or import an entire separate Katana project into your scene as a LiveGroup. Any changes you make to the contents of a LiveGroup can be published and reloaded into all other instances of that particular LiveGroup, meaning you would only have to make the change once. The contents of a LiveGroup can then be locked to prevent other artists from making any changes. In the next video, we'll take a look at how LiveGroups can be used in your pipeline.